Alright YouTube, on today's episode I'm headed to TRZ Motorsports to buy the body mounts for Bluemamba. When I get there I'll give you guys a video of how TRZ look. Excuse my daughter in the back, she's trying to talk to you guys too. Get there, I'll make a video and show you the box that the mounts come in, how they look and everything like that. And if I could walk around TRZ, I'll also make a video on that. Alright YouTube, so we have made it to TRZ Motorsports. This is TRZ Motorsports. Try to see if I can get you guys a video when I go in. Alright YouTube, I'll explain what these are in a few. But I went ahead and went to TRZ. I have the body mounts. I got the standard height ones. To show you guys how they look. Also, these here is for the cross member bar that goes in the back of the car above the rear end for the rear shocks. So I had to get a pair of these. I got these here for free. Alright YouTube, so these are the body mounts for the G body. They look very nice. It just came off the CNC. And I have the whole box there. Alright YouTube, so today I'm going to be going over the body mounts that I got from TRZ. These it here. I have this kit here, which is standard body mount size, and it comes with these two here. These are the mounts here. So as you can see, it comes with 10 total. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 for the body. And these here are for the core support. And as you can see here, it tells you certain locations. So position 1, which is the core support area, would have the mount go just like this here. So that's how it is in the picture. That's the top piece and that's the bottom. And then position 3 would have these mounts here, and you would insert them just like this. This is the top, that is the bottom. More than likely these will lift up the body a little bit more than stock location because the mounts that I have now are worn out, and I'll show you guys those also. So as you can see here, this is the under mounts. So like I was saying, they will more than likely be a little bit higher, but not too much. I'll also end up putting my fenders on and the core support, but I'm going to be taking all this back off because I'm not going to run this core support. I'm going to go with the tubular core support, and then my fender wise, I'll just have to bolt these up. But I know you can't really see it, but you know, the other mounts, and these are the core support mounts. I have to just take the core support off and put the mounts here. And guys, just check out that from the last video I did the front end paint. It still looks real good, nice and smooth. So again, here's another look at the mounts. Alright YouTube, so as you can see I went around and took out the lower mounts for all the body mounts. And these here, I have to remove these. And this one, and that'll be all the mounts removed. Have both sides in. Alright YouTube, these are all of the old body mounts here. And as you can see, I got those new ones in there. I have all of the new body mounts in. Alright YouTube, so I went ahead and bolted down the core support just to see how it would look. I will be taking this core support back off because I'm not probably going to use this. I'm going to get the trick chassis core support, the lightweight one. So I might have this one up for sale, or I might just clean it up and paint it and just put it away. Alright YouTube, so that's the install of the TRZ body mounts. This is stock height body mounts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video for more. Stay tuned, I'll have more videos coming up. I'll be putting the fenders on the car. I'll also be working more on the frame, also inside the body, because I'm also probably going to get rid of the GTO seats and put in one Kirky race seat, since the car is going to be mostly a race car. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.